Hello everyone, it is the time of the season to do the oil change on this Mitsubishi Challenger. The model is 4D56 turbo version. So I used to run Penrite oil before, but this time I have decided to use Castrol Edge. This one here, so it's full synthetic oil, and it meets I3B4 standard for this model. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here I've got is the Nulon engine flush. So I've never used it before, but I thought I'm changing to different brand of oil, might as well use it. So the instruction for this is this one bottle, which is about 300 milliliters, and it's up for 6 liters of engine oil. So this truck uses about 6 liters, 6.2 I think. So this whole bottle should go in. Gonna run it for about, it says about 10 to 15 minutes at idle, and then gonna drain the oil straight away while it's warm. So put this up here. I'll run the truck up on these timbers to give me a bit of height, so when I get underneath. My stands here, they are not that high quality ones, they are cheap ones. It's okay for the cars, but I had a doubt running the truck over it due to the weight limitations. So what I've done, I've just packed some timbers underneath and just drove on top of it. This should give me a decent height to work under. Alright. Put the camera here behind you. Got the airbox out of the way, the intercooler hose away, the intake hose away. Let's see if I can get the oil fit. There we go. This should. Right, so got the filter in, drain plugs in. Now it's time to fill it up. sure no oil leaks.